Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are rapidly changing the way we work. From automating routine tasks to creating new jobs, AI is having a profound impact on the workforce. In this video, we'll take a look at how AI and automation are changing the way we work, and what the future of work might look like. How AI is changing the way we work. AI is already having a major impact on the way we work. For example, AI is being used to automate tasks such as data entry, customer service, and even medical diagnosis. As AI continues to develop, it's likely that even more tasks will be automated. This could lead to significant job losses in some industries, as well as the need for workers to retrain and upskill. However, AI is also creating new jobs. For example, there is a growing demand for AI engineers, data scientists, and other experts who can develop and use AI technologies. What the future of work might look like. The future of work is uncertain, but it's clear that AI and automation will play a major role. It's important to start thinking about how we can prepare for the changes that AI is likely to bring. One way to prepare is to develop skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, problem solving, and communication. We also need to ensure that everyone has access to the education and training they need to succeed in the changing economy. The future of work is full of both challenges and opportunities. By working together, we can ensure that AI is used to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. Conclusion: AI and automation are changing the way we work, but they're also creating new opportunities. By developing the right skills and working together, we can ensure that AI is used to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the future of work. See you soon on InnoInsights.